here we are again, and today I've got myself a curtain lockpick set. I got this from UK Bump Keys. Thought I'd move over to these. Type of lock I've never picked before, and well, there's not many sets that you can buy that appear to be decent quality. So I took the plunge and got this fella. So this is, I've got this training lock here. It's ERA Fortress, I believe. So we're just gonna run through the kit and just basically pick this see-through lock. This is literally the first times I've been using these, but so far it's a really nice looking little bit of kit. This is obviously the 5 gauge. Nope, it's alright, so that's the 7 gauge. That's the 5 gauge. So this is the one we're going to be using. And I like the fact that you've got 2 different lengths of tensioning arm. So you can have it that way if you will, or you can stick one in the bottom hole that they put in. They push in with a positive click and they just pull out. You can probably adjust the severity of the clamping force with those little flat bladed screwies. Pop that to one side. These are the picking levers, should we say. So you get 2 of each, 2 lefts, 2 rights, and 2 different sizes. And you get these nice metal picking handles, should we call them. The flags, the picking arms do have a little flat spot on, which will fit on the gub screw. You can nip that up nicely, and you got a solid picking arm set up. Right, so that's pretty much obviously the kit. They are pretty much just machined out of one piece. Very nicely made, and you know, they sit in a groove which helps keep everything centered all the way down, which I really like, especially for someone who's never picked lever locks before. So you want it to be as easy as you possibly can, really. This kit is made by Locktools. From research, they make quite a lot of safe lock dedicated picks for safes. A lot of the professionals tend to use. So let's just quickly crack on with this lock. Now this one, I have noticed, doesn't appear to have any false gates in the top, but it does have a over lift sort of false gate there, so if you pick it too high it will fall into the notch and get stuck, which has happened a few times. So this is just how I like to tension it. Just feels super comfortable. Obviously we're on a training lock, so I can obviously see everything. My skill level probably isn't good enough yet for just doing it off feel, but I'll get there. I think we're almost oversetting some of them. see what we're stuck on there. There we go. Just pull this arm out so we don't get anything stuck. So obviously we got it picked. Call it cheating if you will, but it's more of a training video, training lock for myself. And obviously handles just pop back out, pop back in the case. Obviously it's the same on the 5 gauge. So all in all, I think I'll probably just leave that there for now. I'll be playing around with this quite a bit more. So there we have the RB Locktools curtain pick set. Few things. To be honest, I'd have loved to have four handles and then just have 4 set up, but that probably just adds to the price, doesn't it? It doesn't take 2 seconds to set it up anyway. So let's just go along and put it back to the way it was. So everything is in the kit that you'll need. It's a nice foam top, and it does fit really snugly together, so once the lid's closed there's not a massive amount of movement. Anyway, there we go. Thank you very much.